This is a fairly large dining room. It's actually on several levels, as you can see down there. I see 1, 2, 3 levels at least. So right outside the Sapphire dining room begins the shopping district, which has its own unique name that I can't remember. You can go down. It's on 3 levels apparently, just like the dining room. It's the Royal Promenade, or Promenade, and it's got one of these. Anyway, here's the Pig and Whistle. It's a bar. These people are dressed up for dinner, it looks like. We just walked in from the Royal Promenade. Here's an elevator going up, right? And now at the end of it here is the Star Lounge. Remember, at the other end was the Sapphire dining room. There's the Golden Room. Not sure what it means. And there's the service area. Don't know what that is. And this is the Star Lounge. And there's a stage there. And this is Cafe Promenade. But it has sandwiches and desserts. Central atrium or whatever. It goes way up. There's the theater, the main theater. We're now on deck 4. You know what I mean. So there's some areas where the line of sight's not so good. But it has this area here, which is sort of a balcony, and then it has the main. And if I go up the stairway there, there's an actual balcony. See it up there? So it's pretty big. It was never full, never. And there's a bar here, and that's Giovanni's table, also known as Giovanni's table. And there's a menu for it. Of course, it's an additional charge. And I'm not sure what this bar is called. We'll fill you in later. And here's Casino Royale. These are some rather new machines. I'm surprised to see them on a cruise ship. That's more like it over there. Look at the floor. Oh, look at that. This looks like maybe an art gallery we're coming to. There's the tavern, it says. There's the art gallery. There's world weather. Here's some more glassed elevators. Now we're midship. So we're on deck 4, and we're going to go down to deck 3. See what's there. This is the photo area where you could swipe your card and look at your pictures. Studio B, center ice. So ice skating rink in here somewhere. And there it is. So it's real ice. Not really big. Everyone's having fun.
He's too shy.
Each side of the ship has this big wide open area with chairs and shuffleboard, but it doesn't go around, right? You know, some ships you can go all the way around, but not this one. Up and back, port and starboard. So as you approach the front of the ship and the sidewalk ends, there's a stairway. I don't know if helicopters actually land here ever, but you could be the king of the world. Windy up here though. So I guess this would actually be deck 5. Oh, this is the next cruise, people. They look busy. Now we're on deck 7, and this is the library. So we're going to go upstairs a little bit. I see some books up there. It's the J. Pritzker library. I'm assuming that's J. And there's some computers here. And that's the library. Now look out there. That's the Royal Promenade shopping center. Remember, we were way down there and we walked upstairs and walked upstairs and walked upstairs, and now we're way up here. And so it's pretty crowded. It's only about 11 now. Plenty of weight machines. Plenty of people. And that's the front of the ship, so you can look out. So we're at the aft of the ship. Ping pong in there. Up there's the flow rider. Venture Ocean Aquanauts. Okay, so this is the kids program. Johnny Rockets. I think she said it was $7 for all you could eat and another $5 if you wanted a shake. But I could be wrong. See, here's the ship. And there's Georgetown where we're docked. It's the flow rider. We're on deck 13 aft. There's Marina Bay Sands way over there. Downtown Singapore. People riding the flow rider. We're actually standing on the miniature golf course. And then this is the basketball court. Rock climbing wall. Somebody got a hole in one, looks like. A Japanese restaurant. Hi. Looks like that. A la carte. Extra charge. So this is the Viking Crown Lounge. And the windows are kind of fogged up. We can sit down here. See that? So this is probably the happening place. Let's see. And it overlooks the pools here. Remember, there's another pool on the other side of that area. That's the front of the ship.